Okay, greetings gang. Welcome to Coatesman Surf Norway. My name is Carl Coates and I am a longboard coaching solution option for you. But also in this channel, we're running a quick series now called the Value Tips series. If you haven't done so already, please would you consider subscribing to this channel. We're new and we want to grow and we want to get to 10,000 subbies by the end of the summer. That's our goal. So if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so you can be notified when our new material gets released, and please leave a comment after this short video for two reasons. One, it's cool just to hear from you, and number two, if you track with us to the end of this series, this value tip series that we're going to be doing on this channel, we will go down into the comment box below and choose out one winner, and we will announce that winner at the end of the series, and you will be stoked to know what the prize is. I'm not going to tell you right now, but stick around to the end. Anyway, this is value tips number 1. And for those of you that are school teachers, I'm using a chalk called Hurlitz. It's good stuff. Anyway, value tips. Number 1, and today we're going to look at ding repairs, the emergency ding repairs. For an example, if you are on a mission down the coast for the weekend or up the coast, wherever you're going surfing, and the surf's on and it's cooking and something goes wrong and you ding your stick, whether you're jumping off the bricks and you slip on your mealie and you get absolutely annihilated on the bricks, or you're surfing and some kook bumps into you, or surfs into you, whatever the deal is, and your board gets dinged. This is what this is all about. What to do. Your weekend's not ruined. You can do the following. Now, before I get into what you can do, this pro tip, this value tip that I'm about to give you, it works on shortboards, longboards, foil boards, stand-up paddle boards, and for our kneeboarding fraternity, it works on kneeboards. It works with epoxy resin and polyester resin. Now, if you've got an epoxy board, pay special attention to this video, please. Right, I've just given you the case scenario. You slip on your mealie on the bricks and you ding your board, or little Johnny, little kook rides into you, dings your board. Right, so what do? You come in straight away. That's what I would suggest to you. You can style it up the beach. You can waltz up the beach in your new Whistler board shorts looking all cool and go straight to the shower and shower the board off. You want to get rid of the salt water on your board. That's number 1. Okay. You're also going to need some ingredients, if I can say it like that. You're going to need a couple of things. And the first thing you're going to need a bog roll. You're going to need a bog roll, which is a toilet roll. You're going to need tape, and I would suggest you using insulation tape. You know, the tape that electricians use. I would suggest you that. Now, I know I could be shot down, and some people say, "Oh, it doesn't matter. You can use packing tape, or you can use masking tape." Yes, you can. But I've had quite a good success rate with this. Being a surfboard shaper and a ding fixer myself, I've used this quite a lot. You're also going to need, in some cases, some turpentine, and, oh, this is the key, a cloth. A nice, clean cloth. Okay, now I'm going to give you a scenario of a ding that's been dinged over wax. So let's just say you're riding a longboard, you get to the beach, surf's cooking, you wax up, you got your hurricane wax, you fugger, put, and you're out there, you surf. Now little Johnny comes and he dings your board, and his nose pierces your top deck. So I'm going to use that as my example. If that is the case, what you need to do, let me get the chalk here again. What you need to do is, if this is the ding here, what you need to do is take, and you're going to need a wax comb. I didn't write that in here. A wax comb would help the scenario. Wax comb. Okay, if that's your ding there, what you want to do is clean the area around it. Take the wax comb, get the wax off, leave it in the sun, let it melt a bit, get the wax off. Then take your terps and clean that area, right? Now this is all after you've washed your board in fresh water. Once you've done this, what you need to do is take the albogamundos, some tissue paper, and stuff it in the hole there, right? Once you've done that, okay, hang on, let's just back up a bit. You clean the area, you take the wax off, you take Turps, you clean it. Then you take the cloth, I forgot to say that. You take the cloth, dry the area nicely. Once it's dry, put the alboga paper inside there so it can start to absorb the water, especially if you've got an epoxy board, right? And then what you want to do is you want to take the tape. Now I'm going to use a different color. You take the tape and tape, put 1, 2, 3, 4, or however many it takes, and then go across like this. Tape it up. If you do that, you're gonna look. If money's not the object for you, this video is pretty much pointless. But if you're just a normal average bloke like me, that's hey, boards are expensive, brew, and you need to look after the thing. After all, didn't your dad teach you that? Look after your stuff. Mom and dad always drilling you, blah, blah, blah. So I would suggest do this method so that you can get back in the surf. And then after the weekend, when you take your board into the ding repair artist, the guy that's going to fix it for you, or if you're going to do it yourself when you get home, at least it hasn't absorbed too much water. There will be water in there, sure, but there will not be, you would have helped yourself, basically. Anyway, that's value tip number 1. So the idea is you ding your board, it's not the end of the world. You come in, you tape it up, do this, follow this process, and you can get back in the water and surf. Now, it's also pretty neat. If you had a surf contest, I mean, not all of us carry quivers of boards around, right? You might just have one stick with you. So this should work for you. Anyway, I'll leave it at that for today. Thank you for viewing this video. Please, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, press the bell so you can stay notified, and please leave a comment down below, and we will see you in the next video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but it's going to be good. You have a fantastic day. Take care. All the best.